So hey there, welcome back to another tutorial. So I'm going to show you a simple trick to center align text in Premiere Pro. First of all, choose the text tool from panel and type your text like I'm typing how to choose color. So this is my text. With your text selected, head over to the Essential Graphic panel. So we will find bunch of options. We have to use only the middle and center align option from there. So now our text is perfectly centered. Easy, right? So please subscribe our channel for easy tutorial. अगर आपको जानना है कि ऑडियो में प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं तो आप इस वीडियो को देख सकते हो.